Hi there, my friends. Welcome to Bluehost training part 7. Now, there will be several parts to this particular Bluehost training because I'm trying to make individual video as short as possible so it's easy for you guys to digest by just following step-by-step instructions. Alright, so in today's video, I'm going to talk about how do you actually create a post within your website, okay, by using WordPress, of course. So over here, I've already logged into my WordPress dashboard. So if you guys do not know how to log it in, please refer to the previous video. So simply all you need to do is to log into your Bluehost account and there will be an icon on the right hand side of the window that shows login to WordPress. Then it will bring you to this particular page. Now, when you are actually doing a post in Bluehost by using WordPress, please remember to install this free plugin which is called RankMath. This particular plugin will help you a lot in terms of your SEO optimization, all right, whenever you do your post, as I'll show you shortly. So how do you actually create a post? So very simple, just go over to here, post, okay, then you click on add new. So of course there are several other issues, like for example, how do you actually set up different categories of the post? How do you actually add on images to the post? All these things will be touched on in subsequent videos, but in this video alone, I'm just going to show you how do you actually put in contents, okay, written content into your post on your website, and how do you actually make use of RankMath. So for example, over here, of course, every post you have a title, and in this title, I'm going to put it as differences between, let's say, get response and Aweber. Okay, so this is my title. Okay, so over here you can see that under this SEO is currently 7 out of 100. Okay, 7 out of 100. So of course we are not putting the content yet. Now over here you see this thing called a permalink. So this permalink, you can actually change it to make it shorter if you want to. Okay, like for example, I can change it to get response versus Aweber. Then click on the OK button. Okay, so now it's done. Okay, try to make the permalink as direct to the point as what the content is as possible, and make it as short as possible. Okay, now over here I'm going to start writing some content, and you can notice the SEO score will start changing. If you are currently an online marketer, you will definitely see the need to have an email autoresponder to conduct email marketing campaigns. Okay, now, so the more common ones will be get response and Aweber. Alright, so you can see that the score just now was 7 and now it has changed to 10. So if you scroll down the particular page, you will see over here under RankMath, alright, these are all the basic SEO, so there are 6 errors there. Like for example, they will give you suggestions how to add focus keywords to your SEO title, how to add focus keywords to your SEO meta description, how to add focus keywords into the URL, use focus keywords at the beginning of the content, use focus keyword in the content now, and as well as the content is currently only 22 words long, so make sure your post is at least about 600 words. Okay, and individual one of them, there's actually a question mark. Click on it, they will give you more information over here. Alright, so under additional, there are also another 8 errors. So like for example, use focus keywords in subheadings, everything. Alright, so all these are actually suggestions for you to improve your article SEO. Now, reason for that is because when you're actually doing a website, all the more is because you want to generate organic traffic. Am I right? So in order to generate this organic traffic, you need to make sure that your entire post in your article is SEO optimized. Okay, search engine optimization. So this is how RankMath will actually help you in terms of getting all these suggestions done. So you don't have to make sure that everything is tick, but make sure that most of them are tick. Okay, most of them are tick. I would say 90% of them should be tick before you actually go ahead and publish the article. Okay, guys. So over here, it will also show you different other things that you can do. Like for example, you might want to disable automatic insertion of table of contents, which usually I don't disable it, because when you have this table of contents, it's easy for your audience to just go straight to whichever subheading that they actually want to look into. Like for example, if they're only interested in the pricing, so you might actually have a particular subheading meant to talk about the pricing difference between GetResponse and Aweber. Okay. Alternate headings, expand headings. Okay, so this is as simple as that, and this is how exactly you are going to create a post within WordPress to actually publish it to your website. Alright guys, so I'll see you in the next video whereby we talk about more in terms of how exactly do you insert your images to your post, and how do you need to actually put in some meta description to your images. Okay guys, so I'll see you in the next video.